Hello, today I'm in Nissan Micra. In this video I'll show you how to make phone call via car's system. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with the car via Bluetooth and then take a look at the screen display. Enter phone, go to phone book and select number from the list, or go to dial number and type number you want to call. Also, you can go to call history and select number from the list. After you do it, tap on the number and you are calling. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.